everyone, welcome back on Sowson. Today it's comfort food, Maglouba. Translation, upside down. Today I'm going to show you a 3-in-1. Meat, vegetables and your rice, cooked up all in the same time, all in the same pot. You're going to love this one. Once I'm finished, I will be turning it upside down, then you'll see the magic happen. Stay tuned, don't switch those channels. Here we go. I have 3 types of vegetables here, cauliflower, carrots and potatoes. I will not be deep frying these vegetables, I'm going to bake it so I can keep the fat intake down and still keep all the flavours. 1.1 kilograms of lamb, already diced up, ready to go. Just adding a little salt, little pepper and a drizzle of olive oil before it goes in the oven. I have got my oven on 200. It should take about 15-20 minutes just to become nice and brown. Drizzle of olive oil, heating up the pan, adding 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small onion. Just mix it until it's wilted. Once it's wilted, then we'll add the meat. Adding the meat now. Adding 1 tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of pepper, tablespoon of allspice. Roasting some almonds. Perfect. Hope it's not too hot for me to touch. There you are. Nice and brown without deep frying. Low fat and still have full flavour. Here we go, we're going to start layering it now. But before we do that, I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on my washed and rinsed rice. And then I'll bring the camera a little bit closer and then you can see a little bit more. Okay, we're going for a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt. Just going to mix it all. Let's start layering. The meat is all cooked. Now I'm going to place the potato first. Perfect. Now, cauliflower. Once again, we're just layering the pot. Finishing off with the carrots. Just spread that round. Adding just a little bit of salt, cracked salt, pepper, not too much. Now I'm going to add the washed and rinsed rice. Just spread it around. 2 cinnamon sticks, straight in the middle, and lamb stock. I've got 3 cups. It is on full heat. The water is just sitting on top of the rice. I'll give it 10 minutes. Once it starts to boil, I will lower the heat and put the lid on for an extra 10 minutes. Whew. We're all finished. Now it's time to see the magic. And I'm a little scared. Whew. Wow, that's gorgeous. And then we're going to let it sit for a while. And it's hot. Okay, just going to get my tea towel. And then we're going to turn it over. Oh, gotcha. Whew. Are you ready? Let's do it. Wow. And there you have it. Maglouba, upside down rice. Just going to dress it with a little bit of almond nuts this time. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay guys, I have to go. Don't forget to subscribe, get on that notification button and get yourself started to all of my delicious recipes. Until then, have an amazing day and I'm going to get stuck into this. Bye everyone. Little meat, salad on top, And here we go. This is good. Gotta try it, guys. It is amazing.